As we age, even the smallest movements, like buttoning a shirt, holding a cup, or writing a note, can start to feel a little harder. Our hands tell the story of our lives. The gardens we've tended, the meals we've cooked, the loved ones we've held. But to keep writing that story, we need to keep our hands strong and flexible. Today, I want to share a few simple exercises that will help your fingers stay nimble, your grip stay firm, and your spirit stay bright. You don't need special equipment, just your hands and a few minutes of kindness for yourself. Let's begin by finding a comfortable place to sit. Rest your arms on your lap or a table, shoulders relaxed, breathing gently. Feel the warmth in your palms. Now, open your hands wide. Stretch them like you're greeting the sunlight. Hold that stretch for a few seconds. Feel the gentle pull, not pain, just awareness. Then slowly close your hands into soft fists. Do this 5 times. This helps loosen stiff joints and increases blood flow. Next, let's wake up each finger. Start with your thumb. Gently touch the tip of your thumb to the tip of each finger index, middle, ring, and little finger one at a time. Like you're counting blessings. Do it slowly, with intention. This small movement keeps your fingers coordinated and your brain active. Now, lay your hand flat on a table. Lift one finger at a time, then lower it down. You'll feel the tendons working beneath your skin. This is how you remind your hands they're still capable, still alive with purpose. If your hands ever feel tired, try this. Rub your palms together until they feel warm. Then place that warmth over your fingers. That gentle heat is your own healing energy, reminding you that care can come from within. Here's another exercise, a hand wave. Raise your hands in front of you, palms down, and slowly wave your fingers up and down like you're saying hello to yourself. This keeps the wrists flexible and helps reduce stiffness from arthritis. You can also use a soft stress ball or even a rolled-up sock. Gently squeeze and release it 10 times. Don't rush. Feel your strength returning with every squeeze. Imagine your hands growing lighter, younger, freer. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about connection. Every time you move your fingers, you're keeping your independence, your creativity, and your confidence alive. You're reminding your body, I'm still here, and I still can. If you enjoy playing piano, knitting, or gardening, these exercises will help keep you doing what you love for years to come. Think of this as a little gift to your future self. A few moments each day that protect your freedom to live fully. Let's take a moment now to breathe and gently shake out the hands. Feel the tingling in your fingertips? That's life moving through you. It's energy, it's resilience, it's grace. And if today your hands feel stiff or weak, be gentle with them. They've served you faithfully for decades. Honor them with patience. Healing doesn't always come fast, but it always comes when we care consistently. Each morning, take 5 minutes for your hands. You'll not only improve movement, but you'll also remind yourself that self-care isn't selfish, it's strength. Because your hands do more than move, they connect you to the world, to your memories, to your purpose. Keeping them flexible means keeping your spirit open. Thank you for spending these few minutes with me today. Take care of your hands, take care of your heart, and you'll find that both will take care of you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Golden Life Wellness, where every day is a new chance to move, smile, and live well.